Okay, the beeping noise, I believe, is because the ABS fuse is out, which results in the ABS light and the brake light on. The one with the seat belt person up there, I believe, is a sensor for the airbag. The check engine is some kind of sensor that doesn't affect the performance of the vehicle. And of course the blinking one is because I don't have my seatbelt on. Now if we go to, there's the miles right there. It's sunny out. 173,593. Just take a quick look. Engine running. The air conditioning belt is not on.